So I just wanted to quickly talk about something that I don't really see people talk about very much. Like, I don't really see it mentioned anywhere. And I think people who don't have Tourette's will find it kind of interesting and might like learn something new. That's one of my least favourite tics. Because I usually bash my funny bones together in it. As you can imagine, it's not pleasant. So I don't know if you can tell, my voice is a bit funky. Because I've had a really irritated throat. I think from ticking. Help, help, help. Fuck. Sorry. And for some people with Tourette's, it won't be everyone, but for some people with Tourette's, if there's somewhere on our body that has a different sensation, whether it's like pain or itching or tingling or whatever it may be, the tics might target that part. Hello, Mum. So for some examples, I've got a really sore bicep muscle on my left on my left arm today. I'm not sure why. Maybe because when I woke up this morning, it had gone dystonic in my sleep. So maybe from that. But that makes my tics do things like this. Because I'm like consciously aware of the pain. And the tics like target it. It's really difficult to explain. But as you can tell, I've been doing it throughout this video. I've been doing it for a good few days now. Because my throat is sore. My tics are targeting it. And I've been having to carry drinks around with me for the last good few days. I'm having strepsils multiple times a day just to try and like soothe it a bit. But until that tic calms down a bit, it's not really gonna heal. It feels like it feels like raw, as if it's been like rubbing together. It's really stingy. It's like burning. It's just really horrible. And the throat clearing isn't a new tic. I remember doing that in 2017 because my a staff member at college wrote home to my mum about it, about how often I was clearing my throat, and they knew it was a tic, and that was 2017.